Hi guys, welcome back to Magneq software. So today we have Sushma Mam with us. She is holding 9 years of experience in Java teaching. Even you can check the reviews. So okay, ma'am. Hi ma'am.
Hi Santoshi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are
So
you?
I'm good ma'am. Thank you so much. And ma'am, today we have gathered because there are a few questions in the comment section for the Java.
Okay.
I want to discuss those questions with you. So we need a brief explanation on that. And,
Yeah, sure.
So that they can get a clarity on the Java.
Yeah, sure.
So the most of the question has been asked in the comment section was why we have to choose Java. So this was the question, ma'am.
Yeah, most of the people are having some confusion why we need to learn Java with a different. The people are coming from different education backgrounds. The people may come from BCom, they may come from Triple E, civil, mechanical students. They will have a lot of questions why we have to learn Java. See, Java is an evergreen language. Okay, so there is. Not like Java is not an important language, not like that, but it is an evergreen language and it can be learned by any other background student. The person is coming from BTech background, or the person is coming from civil background, the person is coming from mechanical background or BCom background. From any background student they can learn Java. Why Java is famous means it is famous for web applications and mobile applications. Okay, if you want to develop any web application or if you want to develop any mobile application, we are learning Java. Okay, na? Why? Because once upon a time, nowadays we are having Android, but once upon a time if you want to develop any mobile applications means they have used a technology which is present in Java, that is nothing but JME, Java Mobile Edition. So by using that technology, we are developing the mobile applications. For example, if you are taking Reliance, right?
Yes.
Reliance company is there.
Yes.
So they are developing some mobile applications.
Yes.
So they use a Java operating system once upon a time, but not now. But nowadays we are having Android. Even if you want to learn Android also, definitely you should have a good knowledge in core Java,
Yes.
right? So that is the reason, if the people who are interested to develop web applications and mobile application, I suggest to learn Java. Okay, even SAP people also, the people who want to learn SAP, in SAP you are having a web. Okay, the people who want to do a web in SAP, they should also have some basic knowledge on core Java. Okay, so that is the reason the people who are interested to develop these SAP applications or to develop mobile applications or web applications, they need to learn Java.
Okay, right. So further question, ma'am, and this was also most asked question in the comment
Okay.
section. What is the advantage of the Java? Why they have to go for the Java only? Like they have n number of other technologies also.
Okay.
So why only Java they are asking?
Actually, most of the people can say that Java is a very high secure language when compared to the other programming languages like Python. We are having so many languages like .NET. We are having Ruby, Perl, all language. We are having so many languages. But why? What are the main advantages of Java means? First of all, it is a cross-platform language. Okay, and it is a system independent language. It should not depend on any operating system or any processor, and it is an open source software. No need to purchase any license. Nowadays latest version we need to purchase some license, but in older versions we are not having any license to purchase this software. And recently I said you know, now only I said you, it is an highly secure language.
Yes.
I have a reason why we are calling it as a highly secure language. We are having a hacking problems like eavesdropping, tampering, impersonation, virus. These are the problems we are having in internet. Okay,
Yes.
in internet these are the problems we are having. But by using Java technologies, for suppose eavesdropping, tampering are there. So to avoid these hacking problems, we are implementing a technologies called encryption and decryption. Right?
Yes.
Encryption, see WhatsApp, end-to-end encryption is
Yes,
there.
yes.
We are using, right. So by using these technologies, we avoid a security problems like eavesdropping and tampering. So encryption decryption technologies are developed in Java.
Yes.
In the same way, to avoid impersonation hacking problem, we are using digital signatures. In the same way, to avoid a virus problems, we are using .class file. So these are the solutions which are implemented in Java to avoid the hacking problems, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason, that is one of the most advantage. Why? Because hacking problems are very dangerous,
Yes.
and we are avoiding these problems by using Java technologies. So that is the main advantage why we have to learn Java, and it is multi-threaded language. We call this language as multi-threaded language. Portability,
Yes.
and we are having it is an object-oriented language, okay, and it is a system-independent language. We have discussed all these points,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So that is the main advantage of Java. Why we have to learn, okay?
Oh.
These are the main advantages.
Right. Even this was a question again. I have read
Okay.
in the comment section. Like, what is the future of the Java?
See, if you learn any technology, don't think in such a way. Is there any future? Is there any future for Java? In future, can we learn Java or not? Why? Because see, first of all, when we are learning this coding language, we are having core Java. Then we are having advanced Java. We are learning JSC module. We are learning JDBC. Then JSC, servlets, JSP. Then you are learning frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot. So every time the technology is implementing, right?
Yes.
So we need to update with the technology, right? So don't think like that. There is no future scope for Java. There are so many programming languages we are having. No, not like that. See, Java has remained popular due to versatility and robustness. Okay, that is the one thing, and it can be used for everything from developing Android apps to develop enterprise level applications, and in addition to that, newer technologies. Now only I said you, now Spring Boot you have to learn in the frameworks. Every time the technology will be implemented,
Yes.
every new version will be implemented, right? For suppose nowadays newer technologies like AI, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are being built using Java. Even I think most of the people can think that AI is used for only Python. AI applications can be developed by using only Python, but we can develop AI applications by using Java also. Okay, so the demand for Java developers is likely to be continue to grow in the future.
Right. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Even even the question it has been raised in the comment section that what are the important topics in the core Java? Like most of the students will get confused, so we need a clarification on that.
Okay, but before going to that, I want to give suggestion to all the students. Don't be concentrate on only important topics. Why? Because when you are going to any interview, this topic is important, this topic is important. You should not be learned like that.
Yes.
Whatever the topics we are discussing in the classes, if you focus on the everyday topic, then you will easily crack the interview. Okay, but the people are asking now what are the important topics are there in Java. But mainly I want to discuss a few topics. Guys, please concentrate on arrays and strings concept. Most of the people can neglect arrays and strings.
Yes.
Why? Because it is a simple topic. There is no importance in Java. Why? Because in Java the important topic is oops. Okay, but when we are writing TCS online examinations or even Accenture, if you see most of the online examinations,
Yes.
they are going to ask mostly on strings and arrays programs, even in data structures. Okay, like stack, linked list, trees, graphs. Okay, so you should have a good knowledge on all these topics. Mainly you can focus on programs. Okay, coming to the arrays and strings, you need to focus on only programs. Okay, coming to next, you need to focus on OOPS concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, okay, interfaces, so types of methods. Okay, like static method, what is instance methods, getter and setter methods. Instance methods are nothing but cloning method, variable argument method. You need to concentrate on constructors. Okay, na? So like that you need to concentrate on OOPS concepts. Okay, next we are moving for interfaces. Okay, we are not having multiple inheritance concept in Java. To overcome this, we are implementing a concept called interfaces. You need to focus on it, and after that, exception handling. Exception handling is very very important in Java. Why? Because how you are going to handle runtime errors. Okay, so we have to learn in exception handling topic. See, the next topic is most important topic in the interview. So that is nothing but collections. For suppose if you are going to, if the student is going to 3 or 4 interviews, they mostly ask questions on collections. Okay, why? Because we are having stack, linked list, array list, hash map, hash table, vector. So these are the concepts which will be there in collections, and mostly they will ask you the questions on only collections only. Okay, so guys, I am saying again and again, please concentrate on collections topic. Why? Because in most of the interviews they are going to ask these questions. Okay, na? So the next topic is threads. Okay, threads topic. So multi-threading, how you are going to perform multiple tasks by using multi-threading. In that again we are having single threading and multi-threading. Okay, so what are the topics we need to mainly focus here means, first one is OOPS. Coming to arrays and strings, you need to especially focus on programs. Okay, then again we need to focus on exception handling. The most important topic is collections. Okay, then we need to focus on threads. These are the, and generic classes. Nowadays in some interviews they are asking about generic classes. Most of the people don't know generic classes, but this topic is there in C++ as a templates. In Java we are calling them as a generic classes. So these are the very important topics you need to focus in core Java especially.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time, and thank you
so
for the
much.
information which I have given in the video. Guys, I think this was a useful video for you. If you have any questions regarding the Java, please write in the comment section. Thank you.